Good morning! Today we're going to go to the garden centre because we are going to get some privet for the front hedge of Luba's house. But first we're going to go and have some breakfast.
We have arrived at the garden center. Seasons of the year, времена года. Oh, it's big.
Let's have a little look around at what we can get. We're looking for the little baby privets, so like 50 rubles, maybe 100 rubles each. Just the little sticks. We can plant them and then within the time of the summer they should grow out nice.
I think it might rain on us in a minute.
Yeah.
It's already drizzling a little bit.
Let's have a look at some prices.
So this is like
It's like a fern bush.
yeah, 4,200 rubles.
4,200 rubles. So that is around £42 in England.
But,
Not sure
yeah,
if that's
but 40,
good.
40 quid, that's probably how much they cost. Yeah. Like the
Wow, this
fir tree
Yolka
is £33.
No, that's £330.
Oh, £330. Wow.
Yeah.
They're pretty though.
Children in the garden centre as usual. Pushing the trolleys around. Lots of trees. It's very much, are these pine tree? These are pines, aren't they?
Yeah, they're very pretty. Очень красиво.
So we're finding a lot of big Christmas trees at the moment.
Дорогая елка, да?
Так они все такие.
А вот это
Ну, красивые вот эти, да, где они такие аж голубые. Вон они, вон те стоят, кусты, вон. Вот такие типа.
Right, I think Tanya's found it. Right, Tanya's found it down here. There's the privet over there. Up ahead is your privet. That's what we're looking for. Baby, this is what we came for. This is not it either.
No, I think that those are like cherry trees.
We got some raspberries, malina. No price on that. But this is one that's growing. That can't be £35, really?
What is that?
Raspberry bush.
Malina.
35
Yeah,
quid.
raspberries are expensive, yeah. It's a good job mom's got loads of raspberries.
There you go, Leo. If you want to ride the tractor, there's a baby tractor for you. What if you got smell-o-vision? Nice. It's nice.
Over there, that's the top hat.
The cow pats. The manure. You want some manure, James? I don't think you want manure. So it looks like we've got lots of little greenhouses to go into and have a look.
Oh my God.
So let's carry on.
Oh my god.
So we've got grusha. So that is pears. And that's only £11, so that's not bad.
Shall we have a look at hydrangea, see how much it is? See,
Yeah,
maybe
let's have a
we'll
look
get
at
some.
hydrangeas.
Вот, покажу, какие надо.
This plant looks like a good plant.
So James is thinking of getting one of these, but there's no price on it, so maybe it's free.
Вот, да? Вот 2500.
These are pretty nice though, but there's no flowers on it yet.
So you've got a
Yeah.
little hydrangea there
What if we get one hydrangea?
for
Вот эти
25.
красивые, да?
These are nano crossings.
Да, любую вот такую, да? 2,500, so £25.
Yeah, I think that's not bad for hydrangea, I suppose. We haven't found
Very
our privet
watery
yet.
soil.
Oh, that might be. Is that privet over there? But that's
No, I think that's still fruit trees,
trees.
I believe.
No, over there's flowers.
Luba wants everything. Хочешь? Sia. What is it? Do you know what it is?
No, I mean, it doesn't get the stuff.
It's like a thistle almost, right?
Is it fish?
Пузыречек зеленый на 10 литров разводится.
Change of plans, guys. So we spoke to a shop assistant and she said There is no Privet anymore.
No.
As they ran out, somebody came along and bought a lot. So, but it's
Like we were gonna buy 100.
yeah, I think he bought about 250 plants.
So the only ones that we could see there that were probably suitable for us are quite expensive.
450 rubles per pot, which is what, about £4.
Yeah. Back in England, when we did our hedgerow, we bought. I call them sticks. I don't know what they're really called, but effectively the real baby ones. They like had 1 year,
I think
maybe about 6 or 7 leaves on them, and then
they were about a couple pounds, really.
yeah, maybe a pound each or something.
Not
That's
too
kind of what we were
expensive.
looking for. Not £4.50 per plant. We need 100. That would be 400 and something pound. I suppose for an entire I suppose it's not a big deal, but it's just, you know, £300 more than we wanted to spend.
Yeah.
So what do we get instead?
Instead, we're going to get 2 hydrangea plants. They're slightly different. One is vanilla phrase, the other one is something else. We'll show you later when we plant them.
Yeah. I wanted to get magnolia, but they don't have it. They don't have it because it's not suitable for this region because it gets frosty. And I also asked about wisteria, which was what in Russian?
Glycinia.
Glycinia, but no.
Don't
There
have
is a cold version that can work in Canada. I've read about it already, but they don't have it. So let's just show you around at some flowers in here, and we'll just have to wrap this one up. What do you want to show us?
Lots of beautiful plants. I wish they were all in my garden.
What is this and how much?
Dalmatin, like a Dalmatian mix.
Yeah, I see Dalmatian there because of the spots.
Yeah,
So that's £3.50.
so that's about £3 per plant. So they all kind of range within £3, £4, £5, depends.
I wanted some lavender, but I don't think we can.
Well, what's this? That's lavender. Just one.
Oh, one lavender.
Just one. Try different place.
Yeah, we'll leave the lavender for now then.
Yeah, let's try. We can try different.
We are about to get soaked. Yeah, you're right.
We have to run.
Run. So what else have we got before we go?
Oh, I don't
Lots
really.
of hanging flowers they've
I
put
don't-
in hanging baskets.
Don't know many. That's pretty, aren't they? They're like bee free. Not sure what they are. Your sister has one of these. Or your mom? Not sure. Somebody has.
Monarda. Be free.
So this is the времена года, питомник. So it's about 15 minutes away from us by car. So it's really easy to get to if we need to come back and buy more lavender.
The kids wanted to buy some things. Yeah, they wanted to buy these.
I know. How much are they?
I think they're 150.
But don't you need to replant them next year, don't you?
Yeah, maybe next time.
Okay. Finished?
Yeah. Right, let's go to the shop, shall we?
Yeah.
Run, run, run.
Синий. А сколько этого? Господи.
Давайте
Не
3
видно.
штучки.
3?
Ты можешь пробивать это, а грунт я свои возьму.
For the longest Russian word, you can pay a lot of money. You pay a lot of money because it's got the longest word in Russian history.
Будет 4200.
А это тоже твое? А, этого давайте.
Я если хочу
Спасибо.
Так, карты, да?
Да, пожалуйста.
And it's paying.
Подождите, агроном, подождите.
I think we've
Так обидно, главное,
some
все
soil and
хорошо
some
было.
food and some
А вот
stuff.
дожди прекратились, началась погода. Молодежная. Или двухлетки, или трехлетки.
Это вот,
Как говорится.
Got it?
Не наш этот.
Ну, вообще-то
более
да,
год.
черешня.
Отлично.
Спасибо.
Спасибо.